Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My name is Abdulmajeed Abdu. I am a student in Faculty of Computer and Information System at Islamic University. In this video, I will be talking about touch screen and how touch screen works and the types of touch screen. A lot of people think all touch screens are same, but they are not. So in this video, inshallah, I will try to explain the differences between touch screen. First of all, what is touch screen? Touch screen is an input and output devices that allows users to interact to computer with using their fingers, and they can be quite useful as an alternative to mouse or keyboard for navigating a graphical user interface. The touch screens are used in many types of devices like smartphones, tablets, laptop monitors, cash registers, and so on. For history of touch screen, the idea of touch screen was described and published by Eric Johnson in 1965, and the first touch screen was developed by Frank Bick and Bent Stomp. The Bent Stomp, yes, and the physical product was first created and utilized in 1973. The first resistive touch screen, which is a type of touch screens, was developed by George Samuel Hurst in 1975, but wasn't produced and used until 1982. For types of touch screen, I will be talking inshallah about two types. First of them is called resistive touch screen. Resistive touch screen is the most basic and common touch screen, the ones used at ATMs and supermarket that require an electronic signature with that small gray pin. These screens literally resist your touch. If you press hard enough, you can feel the screen bend slightly. This is what makes resistive touch screen works. The second type is called capacitive. Capacitive touch screen, unlike resistive touch screen, capacitive screens don't use the pressure of your finger to create a change in the flow of electricity. Instead, they work with anything that holds an electrical charge, including a human skin. Capacitive touch screens are constructed from materials like copper or indium tin oxide that store electrical charge in electrostatic grade of tiny wires, each smaller than a human hair. How do we use touch screens? Firstly, I want to note to something, which is not all touch screens have same functions, but the actions below are the most common. First way to use touch screen is called used by tap. Tap is a single touch or tap on the screen with a finger opens an app or an object. When compared to a traditional computer, a tab is the same clicking with a mouse, and there is a way called double tap. A double tap can have different functions depending on where it's utilized. For example, in browser, double tapping the screen zooms in at the tab location, and double tapping in text editor can be used to select a word or section of words. And there is a way called touch or touch and hold, uh, which is pressing and holding your finger to touch a screen, select or highlight an object. For example, you could touch and hold an icon and then drag it somewhere else on the screen. And last way I have is called drag. If you press and hold your finger on an object on the screen, you can move your finger to pull the object to a different location. Using the same action with text allows you to highlight text. Leave your finger when you are done moving or highlighting. That's all I have. Thank you for watching.